So here we are, we've shortened the deck, and we've added a beam on the front, so I was totally wrong. It's not a sleeper system at all. It's just an elevated deck, but we did have to scribe that baby out a little bit. So here we are back a couple days later. That deck that I started framing that I titled Sleeper System Deck, not a sleeper system. Regular deck on a beam. It's kind of an elevated normal deck. I guess you could call that a sleeper system, but they're kind of up. And there is a slab underneath it, but that's pretty common. It's very low, so it's kind of a hybrid. You know, I don't know if I'd call that really a sleeper system. I think that's just a normal deck. But here it is. We had to add this post. We had a huge sag in this beam here, and I put a lot of pressure on it with some farm jacks, and we lifted it up. So now it's all good. And here it is. We've got a nice, really actually nice scribe on that beam on my part. Thank you very much. And we're getting going with the decking here. So it's sturdy, 12 inches on center. That's the way to do it for this composite decking. Had to plane down some of these blocks because they were a little wider and they were sticking up. Sometimes you just gotta get the planer out and plane them down so everything sits nice. We're doing a border. So I think we're doing a double border here. Maybe we're just doing a single border. Sometimes we'll do a double border. We're gonna find out here in a minute. And just kind of a shorter handrail, because if it's anything under 30 inches, you don't need a handrail at all. And this is only, oh, I don't know, it's like 18 inches up off the ground. So this is just a little handrail for decoration, and we didn't want to block the view from the windows there. So it's just a little shorty stubby. It's not even, you know, required. And then we're gonna just return that thing. So we're gonna put a post there to return to. And yeah, so it ended up working out, but it's not really a sleeper system, in my opinion. It's just a normal deck. Someone left their bag out last night. It's a nice bag to leave out. Here we are even the next day. I haven't been able to get video of the decking going on, but here it is. We're doing a double outside border so that you don't see the grooves, because we have hidden fasteners and they have grooves in them. So you just buy a couple of pieces that don't have the groove, you put them on the outside, and it's just a nice looking double border here. We got these short little stubby posts that we're wrapping. Looks really nice. All coming together, and pretty soon it'll be done. We had a kind of a funky rail situation here, so we kind of wrapped it and had it all play out pretty well. Actually, it's not done yet. We're working on it, doing the handrail, and I've got some 4x8 sheets of some 1/4-inch hardy board here. That's the back side of it. That's got kind of a cedar print on the front, and we're gonna put that on the face here for the skirt of the deck to cover up that pressure treated, so it should just look nice and clean. Return back around, and no animals or critters should be able to crawl up in there. It's really sturdy, really sturdy. 12 inches on center, sitting on concrete, solid as rock. It's really nice. So